Another sketchy day at the hay company.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Two Farm Boys video. If you watched our previous one, you might remember me saying something about this John Deere 6110. This is Clarence's tractor, but here's the thing. I've got a John Deere 4105 and a Kubota M9540, and this Kubota's been a good tractor for me, but it actually had a bit of a problem during second cutting this year. I noticed the rear hydraulic remotes started leaking, so we went ahead and rebuilt the remotes with new O-rings and a few other parts, but it didn't end up fixing it. And what's even worse is the problem reached its peak when I needed the tractor most, when we had hay on the ground. We were actually round baling the orchard grass fields at the lease property. I went to let my first bale out and the hydraulics wouldn't lift the round baler door. We tried everything. We tried playing with the flow settings on the remotes. We looked all the hoses over. We looked at the cylinder on the round baler door, but I knew what was causing the issue. It was something going on within the remotes. So I called Clarence up, my tractor mechanic, and he came and looked at it, but we both knew it was going to take way too long to ever get the problem fixed in time to bale hay that day, so Clarence did something that I am still very, very grateful for. He offered up his John Deere for as long as we needed it to get the hay baled. So we rode over to his place and brought the tractor back over. And that's where I'm going to leave off. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Just got a quarter of a tank. Let me pull it down and fill it up. Alright. Fill her up.
I appreciate all this, Clarence.
Ain't no trouble, man.
Jeremy, you're smiling a little too much. You know that? I think he's happy that he gets to see a John Deere go and bale on my hay.
Yeah. That's about time. Get you some air flowing in there. Oh, yeah.
That's fancy. It's so quiet. Oh my gosh.
Him and them vice grips right there, dude.
White goes to black.
Oh, yeah. The one, yeah, him and them.
Is this safe, Clarence?
Sure. At nighttime, you gotta take these off.
Oh, the vice grips?
Yeah, in case it grinds out on this step right here. It's 12 volt constant all the time.
So it could catch on fire while I'm here as well.
I guess if these touch together, but I mean, I wouldn't be upset about that. You like that? You satisfied?
Oh, I think that looks factory.
Cool. All right, get in there and see if your clicker box works. We gotta get this man back in business, man.
Yeah?
We gotta get him back in the windrow making hay. That ought to sit right there. I see what you got. All right, get on back to it there, boy.
Good enough. Good grief. Alright guys, well, we're getting hay baled, and that's the important thing. This field's done. That took forever. I had so many problems with this thing. This thing's giving me problems today. We're up to 26 bales for the day, which is not very much considering how much work we've done, but whatever. Next field. we got total? Just shy of 40. But anyways, we're done with this. Jeremy's been stacking bales up over there on the gooseneck. I'm gonna take a load of 17 orchard grass bales to a friend of mine tonight. We're gonna deliver those. They're like 30, 40 minutes down the road. Then we're done for the night. And then we get to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. And hopefully, you will be more cooperative tomorrow. Man, Jeremy is just the best help, I swear. Look at that. We're almost ready to roll, dude. I'm gonna get to go home on a decent hour now. I love that kid. All right, guys, we're finally here, getting these bales unloaded, and we'll get this done, we'll get back home, we'll be done for the day. All right, guys, so we baled only a few bales up in this top field here. We're gonna go try and bale down to this bottom. Jeremy's raking that field. That's really thin. I mean, this is bad, man. It's so thin over here. But anyways, we're gonna go bale this other field. We just sold a load of hay to Zach. He's bought a lot of hay from us this past year. And we sold some to him. He's coming to get more, so me and Jeremy are trying to get some baled, so we'll have enough to make another full load for him. And then we'll try and get this knocked out in the next 2 hours. The dew's gonna start setting in soon.
Now I did get the remotes fixed on the Kubota. I had to buy all new ones, which was not cheap, trust me. But we did get that fixed just in time to do the other lease properties so we could get Clarence's tractor back to him. The footage of us baling with the Kubota again will be in our next video, so look forward to that. But that's it for this one, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.